Okay, we are making chicken wings. We're going to do two different sauces. One, a lemon pepper wet, which is a mixture of lemon pepper and buffalo. And then we're gonna do a honey butter garlic sriracha. So first thing we're gonna do is put these in the oven because we're gonna bake them. Let's get some olive oil on the wings, a little bit of salt. Then we're gonna add in some lemon pepper now. And so this is about 3 pounds of wings we're making. Then I'm gonna add in some cornstarch. Get our wings down. Okay, let's flip these wings. And we'll have these go until they're a little more golden. Wings are almost done, so I'm gonna make some sauces. Main ingredient for both is butter. Garlic in here. Little garlic powder. Sriracha. And honey. Gonna get some Frank's Red Hot in here. This is the buffalo sauce. I'm gonna add some lemon pepper. I think I put a little bit too much hot sauce. I should have done a little bit of hot sauce, a little more butter. Wings out. Looking good. Sriracha, honey, garlic butter in this. Scallion. A little bit of this buffalo lemon pepper. Sriracha honey butter. I'm a blue cheese fan myself, but I just have ranch dressing. I'm also more of a flat guy. These are hot. No ranch dressing for the first one. Sweet, tangy, garlicky. It's like one of my favorite sauces. Lemon pepper buffalo. Okay, it's amazing. I'm gonna eat my wings and go. Goodbye.